Hey Witblox makers, this is Prateek. We are getting a lot of positive reviews on our WMM videos. Thank you for all your comments and hashtags. So, it's Monday again and I'm back with another WMM video. Witblox Mechanism Mondays. Let's begin. Today, let's learn Geneva Mechanism. Oh, don't worry. We are not talking about the place in Switzerland, but a mechanism which is named after it. It is named because it was widely used in Swiss watches in the 17th century. It is a gear mechanism that translates a continuous rotation movement into an intermittent rotary motion. The driven wheel has a very unique design. For each rotation of the driving wheel, which can be a motor, the unique driven wheel rotates its fraction, giving rise to a very unique and cool looking mechanism. The Geneva mechanism is used in many places other than Swiss watches. So comment down the applications that you can think of for this mechanism with the hashtag Witblox Mechanism Monday. To build projects related to such amazing mechanisms, download the Witblox app.